We're going to get started, guys. Let me make here my live start, and then we go straight to this business. All right, let's get started straight. Hello, and how are you? My name is Muhindo Mubarak, and I welcome you to our 8th. I'm not sure. I'm not counting properly. It's either the 7th or 8th. I'll find out. Lecture of creating a complete hotel management system using plain PHP and MySQL and HTML, so and Bootstrap CSS. So we have a lot of things to put together. We are now on the 8th lecture, if not the 7th, and we have covered a lot of things. So if this is your first video to land on, I recommend you to go to our very first video and see how you get started, because there are some other things that I share with you that you can begin with in order to be on the same pace with us. So that's what I'll tell you. So with that much said, let's go straight into today's business. As you know, we always do 40 minutes. So I'll go ahead and start our timer. Let me put our timer there, and then I'll launch the project. So the project, I've already opened it. It is here. This is the project. Okay, HotelPro. And if you still remember yesterday, we were able to finish the CRUD of here. We could be able to edit, we could be able to delete, we could be able to do anything that we want. Okay, now right now we're going to proceed from there. So we're going to proceed to the rooms. Yes, we're going to proceed to the rooms. That's where now the whole business is going to be. However, the advantage here is we have finished a lot of things. I've finished a lot of things from what? From we've finished a lot of things from creating this CRUD of room categories. So now creating rooms, it is going to be simpler for us because I already finished the room creation or room categories. So with that much said, let's go straight into today's business and get started, right? All right, so what we're going to begin with, we're going to create first a room listing. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to create a new thing. I'm just going to use this very one and duplicate it. Okay, when I duplicate it, I'll have now a place where I'm going to have a room list. So let's begin with the menu. We're going to put here a button for clicking, so you can go to the room list. So to do that, we shall go to our admin, to our header, and then let's go to our header. So our header, where is our header? Our header, it's under here, admin header, this one here. Then we're going to add there we're going to add there on the sidebar. We're going to add there the room lists, or the rooms. So I can just simply come and search for room categories. It is here. So I'm just going to duplicate this one so you can have the rooms. Okay, so you can put the rooms on top. Rooms, let's say rooms like this. I can say room lists. Okay, let's call it room for simplicity. So here you shall have now the rooms. Now if I come and refresh here, you'll see that you have the rooms. Maybe you can change the icon to so you can just simply come and search here TF icons on internet. Okay, so search TF icons, you'll be able to see their listings, so like that. So TF icons, I think they're here. Just simply say TF icons cheat list. So if you want to cheat, hope there is ones. Alright, so let's try this one and see if this one works. But these are found awesome. Alright, we shall find out that later. Let's first focus on the business. We shall come to those icons later when you're mastering the entire project. Alright, so there you go. So you have here rooms. So I'm going to create a link for room lists. So let's go ahead and duplicate this one. We're going to just duplicate this guy. Okay, this admin room category. Okay, so let's duplicate that. I'll just simply press Ctrl P and go to it. Here it is. This is the room admin room categories. I'm just going to copy Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or you can just simply click on it and then rename it. You'll be like saving afresh. Save as. So you go to here to room categories and then come to file and then say save as whatever, and then you create a new one. Okay, however, I can just simply press Ctrl Shift S. So those are two options. So I'm going to remove these room categories and just say admin rooms. Okay, admin rooms. So that is the one for the rooms. Okay, so after doing so you have here the copy of this one. Okay, so I'll just simply come now to the header, dashboard header. Okay, and then instead of having here admin room categories, I'm going to change it to admin rooms like this. Okay, so on the rooms tab. So if I come and refresh and I click on the rooms tab, you'll see I'm able to get these admin room categories. Admin rooms on top here. So we are now going to reuse that. Let's go now to admin room categories. So let's go ahead and change the title. Call this one rooms, and then you can say maybe room list or rooms list. So you can just say list, okay, or rooms list, something like that. So if I refresh here, I'll see you have rooms, I have room list. I can click here, I'm able to access categories. I click here, I'm able to access rooms, and then room lists. That is so beautiful. Alright, so after doing so, now let's go ahead and proceed now to create new room. Instead of having here create new category, we're going to change this button to create new room. So let's go ahead and do that. So create new room. So create new room, we shall just simply come to create new room. Where is it? Create new room. So shall come here to category, admin, whatever. So we're going to change this button in the admin rooms. We're going to change this button from to create new room. Where is the button itself? It is here. Create new room, not create new category, like this. So create new room. There you go. You have create new room. So click there, click on create new room,